got the holiday deals at the Lowe's. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make better review videos. That's the way YouTubers to platform my subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Yeah, we got some holiday deals, plus we got some clearance that just came up. Safety, eye protection, and then you got the built-in headlamp with some AA batteries or AAA batteries. I personally don't like nothing that uses batteries, but there you go, $14.98. Got $19.98 your choice here. You got a 25-foot tape measure, a utility knife, and 16-foot tape measure. So very interesting what they did here. This one you do have unlock and lock, the yellow part. Do apologize. There's a car revving just down the block there. I could hear it right now. You got a 25-foot tape measure. This is mostly like the VatMax style. It's a really nice quality. I really like the hook that it has at the end. It is leveled on both sides, as you guys do see. So pretty nice quality on the tough build. You got the utility knife set, $19.98. You got two different ones. You got a fastback style. Then you got a higher leverage style there. So two different ones. You got the Craig Pocket Hole Jig 320. This one's down to $34.98, down from $39.98. So pretty good deal on that. $30.98 for the 10-foot, 1,500-pound ratchet tie downs from Craftsman. So pretty nice. And then we got $159 for the 7¼ sliding compound miter saw from Cobalt. That's it right there. I do apologize for not getting the full picture there, but it was kind of quick. Got a router table and a router, a $129 down from $179. Get a pancake compressor, 6-gallon Cobalt, $99 from $129. Not bad deal. Then you got a toolbox. This is a lime green toolbox. Now these toolboxes are fairly newer to Lowe's. I haven't seen them before, but this one's $12.48. It is not the cheapest. It's only 41 inches. So they are Viper, S-Viper, according to what it is. It's the brand, and then you got a power strip there on the back. And then those are all the accessories that it has, 24.6 inches in depth. And then we do have a power tool storage with charging storage drawer. And you guys do notice the latching mechanism here. I think that's pretty solid. The only thing I don't like, it doesn't have a self locking or soft locking or soft closing drawers. So they are basically just slamming, and you'll hear the slam basically. And then this is the charging station that they got with the power strip there. So that's pretty nice. And then, like I said, no soft closing or anything. And they got the pink version or the white version of this, and then they got the pink box. My guess is just the same manufacturer. These are very expensive for what they are. I mean, not unless you really want a pink box, but for $7.48, this one does have the self closing box or drawers. Then they got the cart. This is the 3-drawer cart. It does have a deep drawer at the bottom. If you guys do see in twos, medium size, smaller size. It is from Viper, and this was $3.79. I think it's a little pricey. I mean, you could go to Harbor Freight. Chances are, with the holiday deals and all, you can get for around $200 to maybe $300. You can get yourself a decent 5-drawer cart. All right, so this one's on clearance. We got a whole bunch of clearance deals here. So this one's down to $269. It's a 140cc Craftsman push mower. It is gas. So if you guys still looking for gas, this is made in the USA with global materials. And then they got this one. This is a Cobalt attachment cable string trimmer, 40 volts, 179. Guys, make sure you guys, when you guys go to your Lowe's, make sure you guys double check the garden section for all the clearance deals. Some of you are reporting that these are really cheap, like around $60. That's with battery and charger included. This one's down to $89. I'm waiting on that $60 range because that's a killer job on this platform. I can't wait to upgrade my string trimmer to the self-feed string trimmer, because it's a nightmare basically trying to feed that thing. But I still do it because I have patience. But You know, sometimes you have so much work, yard work. I got a big yard, and you just want to just put it in there and charge it up quick. So I can't wait to get my hands into something like that. The same thing with the blowers. They're on clearance. These are kits, 40 volt leaf blower kits. Same thing with the scale and the cobalts, 95 bucks. And then you got Eagle a leaf blower, 600 CFM is not that one. Got a lithium battery, $21 down from 52. That is Black & Decker. So 2 amp hour battery, and then you got chainsaws. Yes, guys, the chainsaws are on clearance, especially the 40 volt kits like these. These go down to almost 60 something dollars or 80 bucks, 70 bucks, my bad. So around that price range, you're going to see them. Make sure you guys go on over and check them out. Check this one out. This one's 80 volt for 124. It is the kit. It's on clearance. It does include a battery and a charger. So this is 80 volt brushless blower. We got the Craftsman 16 gallon with the free vacuum, a free bonus 12 volt car vac. This is what it says here. That's it right there. Pretty much a dust buster for the hand. Pretty much a weak vacuum, but you know, something, you know, some quick mess cleanup. That's pretty good. And that's it right there. It does come with the 12 volt adapter. It's not battery powered, so just keep that in mind. You do have to plug it into your cigarette lighter for that vacuum to work. It's great for the van and the truck or whatever. So $54 for this one. This was a wet and dry vacuum, stainless steel. We got some more toolboxes here. I'm just gonna go over some here real quick. We got the 26-inch top and bottom for $4.98. It's decent. I do have the 51-inch. This is the 40, I believe 41-inch or 42-inch for $6.98. And then we got the Craftsman. These are the wood top $7.99. This is pretty much the bigger ones, the nice top of the line Craftsman boxes. You got an impact driver and drill driver for $149. And this is a really good deal, especially if you're starting out to get into a line, or you know, deciding to get into a line. They want a great line to get into. $349 for a 4-tool combo kit, and then you got a looks like a 6-tool combo kit for $5.99 if I'm not wrong. Maybe, yeah, 7-tool combo kit with the light, 6 maybe without the light. But yeah, it's a pretty decent deal. It does include the power stack battery. Killer deal on this one. This one's the power detect deal. So $379 will get you a free tool. Definitely check it out. That angle grinder and that reciprocating saw, even the battery, the 8 amp hour battery is a killer deal. That hammer drill is pretty good. I've used that hammer drill, you know, for the longest time ever, and it works pretty good. Never let me down. It's one of my favorite hammer drills. Big and powerful. You got the impact driver, drill driver, a light, oscillating tool for $129, and then you got this tower light from Cobalt. However, I did not see a price on this one, but you know, this one's fairly new to the line. I never seen one before. You got impact driver and drill driver. The impact driver does have that. It's just an impact driver. So $129. Yes, impact driver, drill driver, $99. These are really nice tools. I never seen the newer version of these, but now I have. They're very compact, really small. Fit perfectly on the hand. Seems like you're getting pretty good power. And I'll left you guys some of the audio so you guys would hear it. But yeah, I'm really impressed with these tools, especially the brand new design. And then they got the speeds and the mode selector. You got finish and the self-tapping modes. And then you got the battery gauge right there just beside that mode settings there. And that is the drill, very compact, $19.98 for the reload knife with mags. This is for somebody that uses the knife all the time and they don't have time to replace a blade. Just pop in the mag and should be good. You got a 30-piece drive bit set, $9.98. This is actually a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal for somebody that's barely starting off, getting the first drill. For under $10, you got some 2-inch bits. Looks like some Robertson's flathead Phillips, some star bits. Looks like some nut drive, couple nut drivers there, a bit holder, Tic Tac case. Then you got looks like extreme tools. These are really nice, really compact, really powerful for the size. I really like them, by the way. It's just hard to choose with all these companies. You know, they have so many. Very attractive price, guys. At $189, you're gonna get yourself a free tool. I would definitely go for that ratchet. Oscillating tools. It's a solid tool. I used that before. I would definitely get the impact wrenches, either the 3/8 or the 1/2 inch, and then you can get the circular saw too, one-handed reciprocating saw. So this one's down to $129, but what the thing is with this one is that it's down to $129 here, but at the other section, when I'm gonna put it later on this video, you're gonna be able to choose a free tool. Also, are you able to stack? That's my question. Are you guys able to stack? Get that kit at $129 and get a free tool? Have you guys tried it? Let us know down in the comment section if you guys done that lately, because I don't know if how long are they gonna be overlapping, or when will they be overlapping. That's crazy. So, and if you guys tried any of these tools, let us know down in the comment section what you guys got for the holiday, for the Black Friday deals. We want to know if your tools were good, were they bad, were they trash. $227 for that one. This is the deal that I was telling you guys. So it's $199 there, but at the other part it's $129. So are you still getting the free tool for $129? You know, I would definitely argue that with your, well, not argue, but you know, I would just let them know, hey, this is $129. Would I get the free tool too? And hey, they might do it for you. Who knows? Or it might just be on the system. You got $199 for a starter kit, or $299 will get you a free tool. The starter kit's pretty tempting. At $199 will get you a free, looks like brushless tool. And then you got the $299 kit with the 2 power stack batteries. That's pretty good. It is the hammer drill and the impact driver. Got the sender, and that is the 2 5 amp hour starter kits for $199. Get you a free tool. This one's down to $199. This is actually a pretty good deal. These are pretty good tools. These are professional, and if you guys buy them by the end of the year, you guys are able to qualify for the founder's warranty. Same thing with this one. You buy any of the kits on the left, you get a free tool on the right. I'll definitely go for that vacuum, the fan, or the radial. I think those are killer. Maybe that battery, that's pretty good too, and the light. The blower I would stay away from. I mean, if you need a blower, but it's only for smaller stuff. Then they got a rocket style light here for $199. It was $249. So if you're on the platform, all right. So $998 for the reciprocating saw blade set, 7-piece. This one's already sold out. You got a 7-piece a bit set, $16.98 Bosch. Then you got a teak shank jigsaw blade set for $9.98. That's a pretty good deal. So make sure you guys stock up on those if you guys need them. $299 will get you the 3-piece flex stack pack. If you guys haven't checked out my my stack pack accessories into Milwaukee Pack, make sure you guys check out that video. That was crazy deal. I mean, crazy video that I did installing those accessories in Milwaukee Pack up. You got $449 for a miter saw. You get yourself a free stand. Same thing with the depots. But yeah, they're doing the same thing because they don't. Obviously, they want to get the customer. So $149 will get you a free starter kit. This is a killer deal on this. It does include the hammer drill, the jigsaw, or the oscillating tool. That oscillating tool, I believe it does have the star feature on it, if I'm not wrong. But yeah, that is the starter kit there at the bottom. There's the 2 batteries there for $99. Got this one for $39.98. Exclusive crossline laser level. You got another level there for $19.98. A torpedo style 9-inch, $19.98, and then $39.98 for the larger one. This is great for if you guys got pipes, you know, under the sinks and all that. You guys want to get that. There's the 30 feet crossline laser level. And you got the torpedo, and then you got the 48 magnetic lit box level. It does include a button there, so you guys get measure at night. You guys will be able to see where you're at. So that's pretty nice. They got a scaffold here, 179 6 foot. That's pretty nice. Buy one get one free from Flex. Same thing, $3.99 will get you a free tool. Obviously, you know what the better tool is. The radio, they're almost gone. $46.37 for the 2 battery and charger, or I mean, for the charger, not the 2 battery and charger. This is on clearance, and then same thing with this one's on clearance for $39.98. 20-volt 2 amp hour battery. What's the $49.98? Same thing with the Cobalt. Like I said earlier, I don't know, guys. 129 seems to be a very tempting deal, and get yourself a free tool. I'm thinking about getting that. You got $99 for a 4 amp hour battery, and you get yourself a free tool. All right, so they got the Craftsman toolbox. This is very shallow. This is very thin, guys. You guys, it doesn't have a lot of depth. It looks like a really, I don't know, it looks weird because it's really thin. There's not a lot of depth on this box. Could be good to save store it, for a small garage and stuff. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.